Welcome back with the exercise that is related to GP or geometric progression. Question first. The series of GP is given and you have to find out 20th term and the nth term. The formula for the nth term is already written over here. An equal a r n minus 1. एक term कम हो जाएगी. So remember this thing. From this GP here a is 5 upon 2 and what about r? That is the common ratio. 5 upon 4 divided by the previous term, that is 5 upon 2. So it will 5 upon 4 divided by, it will come like this. So 1 upon 2 is the common ratio, isn't it? Now A20 means A R 19 by putting the value in this formula. Now from here A20 is A 5 by 2 and R is 1 by 2 power 19. Solve it further. You will get 5 and upon 2 power 20. Isn't it? 2 power 19 and power 1. 2 power 20 it will become. And then they are asking about the nth term. Nth term. Formula is written A R n minus 1. Substitute the value 5 by 2 into and instead of a r power 10, we can substitute s. So q square equal ps. So this is from 1 and 3. You will get it. Is it okay? Question 4th. Question 4th is given 4th term is the square of the second term and first term is given -3 and we have to find out A7. A7 means AR6. This we have to find out. From this part, we will rewrite it. A r power 3 is A r power 2. Second term. So second term according to the formula, that is A r 2 minus 1. So A 2 minus 1 is this. Open it. You will get A square r power 2. Cancel it. So A equals to r. You will get this. And A value is given -3. So it means r is also -3. A equals to r and A value is -3. Therefore, r is also -3. Now come to the question. We have to find out A7. A7 is A r power 6. Now substitute the value. A is -3 into r. R is also -3 power 6. Now -3 power 7. Okay. Is it clear? Question 5th. In question 5th, it is written that 2, 2 root 2, 4 and so on, it forms a GP. It forms an GP. Okay. Now question is, what will be the number of terms if the nth term is 128? Nth term is 128. It means the last term in this given GP series is 128. So we will take nth term as we are taking it in AP also, nth term as 128. So from this given GP series, A is 2 and R is divided root 2 and ARN minus 1 formula, and AN is given 128, A substitute, R is root 2 n minus 1. Shift it, you will get, after doing the division, 64 equal root 2 n minus 1. What should be next step? From here, 64 2 power 6, and if you have to write this also in the 2 power, so how will you write it? 2 power n minus 1 upon 2. Root 2 को हमने change कर दिया in the form of 2. So bases are same. Solve to get the value of n as 12, 13. Bases are same. You can equate the power, and after solving it, you will get n as 13. Question 6th. Question 6th is -2 by 7 x and -7 by 2 forms a GP, and you have to find out the value of x. Since it forms a GP, so what does it mean? This upon this equal this upon this, isn't it? GP, common ratio should be same. Or we can say x square equal this multiply this. Cancel it. You will get x square equal 1. So what should be x equals to? X will be plus minus 1. X equal plus minus 1. Is it clear? So for today only question from question 1 to 6, and in next class we will take the next question onward. Thank you.